Welcome to Swetlana AI Podcast, episode 264. Hey, do us a solid like and subscribe. Helps keep the algorithm happy, you know.
Keeps it fed.
Exactly. So today, we're wading through the, let's call it, enthusiasm surrounding AGI timelines.
Right, the whole AGI by 2027 crowd.
Yeah, we're looking at what Andrej Karpathy, a top AI mind, actually thinks. And, spoiler, it's a bit of a reality check.
It really is. We're talking AGI, like an AI you genuinely hire over a person. Karpathy's estimate. More like 10 years out. Think 2035.
Which sounds almost pessimistic compared to some tweets you see.
Well, yeah, but he actually frames a decade as being incredibly bullish. Still very fast, historically speaking.
And why not 2027?
Because, and he's pretty blunt about this, the current AI agents, they just don't work. Not in the way we need them to.
It can't handle the messy real world.
Precisely. He argues it's not about needing some, massive physics discovery. It's engineering. Hardcore engineering.
Like what specific?
Things like getting them to learn continually, integrate different senses, multimodality, and just fundamentally get better at using a damn computer. That's the bottleneck.
No, it's not sexy research. It's
grunt work and integration work, his words. Solving the hard, kind of boring problems for the next decade.
Okay. Let's dig into why it's so hard. Karpathy has this analogy, right? Ghosts versus animals.
Yeah, it's a great way to put it. Biological life, the animal, comes sort of preloaded by evolution. Think about a zebra running almost immediately.
Okay, innate abilities.
Right. LLMs, though. He calls them ghosts or spirits.
Mm-hmm.
Their intelligence isn't innate. It's scroped, mimicked from internet data.
Which he calls
crappy evolution. It's fragile, built on imitating us, not true understanding developed over millennia.
And if that's the foundation, then how they learn must also be less than ideal. Reinforcement learning.
Oh yeah. He tears into current RL, calls the process stupid and crazy.
Strong words. Why?
Because it gives this tiny reward signal way at the end of a super long process. If the AI finally succeeds, it basically assumes every single step it took was brilliant.
Even the dumb step.
Even the dumb steps. It just upweights the entire successful path. It's like trying to learn piano by only being told good job after playing a whole concerto perfectly once.
He had that phrase.
Sucking supervision through a straw. It perfectly captures how little real guidance the model gets from this sparse reward. It's just guessing, mostly.
Which sounds like a massive cognitive flaw.
It is, and you really see it pop up in the coding agent paradox.
Right, coding is supposed to be where these things shine, yeah. Making money right now.
Supposedly. But Karpathy found they're terrible at what matters most for progress. Writing novel, complex, custom code, like when he built NanoChat.
So they can't do new things well.
You really struggle. It's bizarre. They have these cognitive deficits. They try to jam in generic, bloated solutions. Production bloat, he calls it.
Or use old code.
Yeah. They insist on using, deprecated APIs just because that stuff was common in their training data. They completely miss the nuance needed for custom work.
So for anything really new or complex?
He basically found them useful only as, super advanced autocomplete, not as creative coding partners.
And if the tools meant to build the next generation of AI are flawed, well, that explains the 10-year wait.
It certainly contributes. It slows things down if the AI can't effectively help build better AI for complex tasks.
Karpathy isn't predicting doom, right? No sudden singularity.
No, not at all. He sees it fitting into the long historical trend, like computers, like the internet, gradual integration, maybe adding to that typical 2% GDP growth over time.
So more slow burn automation, less Skynet.
Pretty much. A massive shift, absolutely, but unfolding over years, integrating incrementally.
But that slow burn still changes everything. If knowledge work gets automated, what do humans do?
That's the huge question, and Karpathy suggests the whole point of education flips.
How so?
Post-AGI, if machines handle the knowledge work, maybe school isn't about job training anymore, so...
What is it for?
Maybe it's for fun. Self-betterment, like going to the gym today. You don't go to get strong enough to, power a factory. You go for yourself.
Which leaves us with a pretty wild final thought for you listening. If technology keeps making learning easier, making knowledge almost trivial to access and apply.
Yeah.
Is the ultimate endgame just turning learning, cognitive development itself into basically a sport? Something we do for competition and personal achievement, because the work part is handled.
Thinking the new Olympics. Chew on that one.